Hi, today is April 4th, and the bird of the day is the purple gallinule, which, as you can imagine, is a very distinctive looking bird. It's purple and green, very tropical looking. It's in the same family as coots and rails, and it's mostly seen in the southern coastal areas. Today I have a story about the bird of the day because 5 years ago today, Lewis, Mayne, Travis, and I were on a birding vacation in South Texas. And someone had told us that they had seen a purple gallinule in this nature preserve. And for Lewis and I, that would have been a life bird for both of us. So we spent hours over 2 days driving around this nature preserve and looking for this bird, and we never found it. We had to go home having never seen this bird. 2 years later, we took a trip to South Florida, and we did finally see the bird. It was our great white whale, or little purple bird. And it's an amazing bird to see. So that's the bird of the day for today. Here's a little bit about the purple gallinule. Purple gallinule, Porphyrio martinica. Uncommon on ponds with brushy or weedy emergent vegetation. Walks around pond edges or on vegetation, even into trees. Swims infrequently. Solitary. Adult unmistakable. Juvenile also unique, with pale brown and green plumage, all white undertail coverts and yellow legs. Voice varied, but never includes whining notes. One distinctive rhythmic series, a slow nasal honking pep 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 pep. Also a deep grunting series similar to king rail and varied single notes. The purple gallinule.